How to deposit or withdraw on OKX Wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the process of depositing or withdrawing on OKX Wallet. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to download the OKX Wallet from the App Store or the Play Store, depending on your device. And once you have installed the application, open it. And also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, after logging in, please note that you need to be verified to deposit or withdraw the funds. So to begin, tap on the three dots icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, under the Manage Assets section, you will see the option for the deposit and withdraw. There is also an option of P2P trading if you're interested. So to make a deposit, tap on Deposit option over here. And you will then select the asset you want to deposit, and the app will provide you with a wallet address that you can copy. Take a screenshot of or share it through a QR code to receive your cryptocurrency. And if you want to withdraw funds, tap on Withdraw option that is between the deposit and P2P trading. Simply tap on it, and you will have the option to enter the recipient's address manually or scan it. So this is exactly how you can deposit or withdraw on the OKX Wallet app. But remember that you need to have your identification verified. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can deposit or withdraw on the OKX Wallet app. Remember to ensure that your account is verified, and I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions or issues, please leave them in a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.